This is a video walkthrough tour of 20206 North Meadowood Drive in Sun City, West Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Sun City, West Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Sun City West. Welcome to this charming and spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with stunning golf course views right off the 13th tee box. As you enter, you're greeted by a thoughtfully designed open floor plan that brings comfort, functionality, and scenic beauty together in perfect harmony. The formal living and dining area at the front of the home features a large picture window that frames sweeping views of the lush green golf course. Off the kitchen, you'll find a versatile bonus room, an ideal space for a home office, craft room, or hobby nook. The kitchen is designed with both style and practicality in mind. Crisp white cabinetry offers ample storage, and the center island provides additional counter space, perfect for prepping meals. Large windows in the eat-in area flood the space with natural light, making every morning feel bright and cheerful. This home also includes a full 2-car garage, plus a separate space for your golf cart or a small workshop. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The secondary bedroom is perfect for guests, or can be transformed into a second office, workout room, or media space. Here we have the spacious primary suite, featuring a charming bay window and an ensuite with a large vanity, generous closet space, a comfortable seating area for your morning routine, and a spacious shower. And when you're ready to explore beyond the home, Sun City West has an incredible range of amenities designed for active living, from swimming pools and fitness centers to recreation rooms, tennis and pickleball courts, and of course, world-class golf courses. And finally, here we have your private backyard oasis, where a beautifully extended pergola provides shade and comfort. Come see for yourself what makes this Sun City West gem so special. Schedule a tour today.